What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of Clean Skillet. This one is extra special because we are on the island of Curacao
and headed to Williamstad, the capital and the only UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Caribbean, to experience our first farm-to-table brunch.
And so I found a spot. Let's go check it out. Why this episode is so special is because it is the launch of the Clean Skillet travel segment. That's right, we are going to be traveling all over the world looking for clean, quality foods. And so we're starting here on my bucket list place of Curacao.
A part of the ABC island with Aruba to its west and Bonaire to its east, Curacao is an underrated destination with a unique culinary scene.
So we're here, we just arrived. Let's go. Okay, so I'm here with the owner of Hafi Kaskora, and she's just going to tell us a little bit about the farm and the restaurant.
Yeah, welcome. So we farm organically. Every year is a little different, and we keep learning every year.
Okay.
We've been doing it for 7 years now, or actually 8. The restaurant's been open for 7+ years, and we also opened up a marketplace that's open during the week. Where we sell our vegetables. As you can see, there's like a lot, we don't do monocropping, so we do intercropping. There's a lot of different things, and because we do it organically and regeneratively, so that means that we switch around the crops. Some crops give some more nutrients, some take more, and this way you keep the soil healthy.
Now for a quick tour around the farm.
So we're here in the kale area of the farm. Kale is one of my favorite vegetables. It's super nutrient dense. It goes with almost everything. Check out one of our videos. We actually make an almond kale salad, and we use several of the kales that are growing here on the farm.
I see dinosaur kale and some interesting fruit that may inspire a new Clean Skillet recipe.
And we are in front of this beautiful tree that is growing cashew, also known as rose apple. So let's try it out straight from the tree, farm to table, Clean Skillet style. Smells good. That's nice. It's tart and sweet at the same time. It's giving me cherry, plum, but with an apple texture. I could see this in some sort of a dessert, a pancake, a salad because of the crunch. What you think? Should I get some rose apple and give you a recipe? Let me know in the comments below.
Serving a variety of international dishes made with seasonal crops, organically grown on their property or sourced locally, I am so happy to have found Hafi Kaskora Farm and Restaurant. Now we are headed inside to see what's on the menu.
So the menu looks amazing already. If you are vegan, a meat lover, everybody in between, there's something on this menu for you. That's exactly what we do on Clean Skillet. So this is the type of spot that we always love to come visit whenever we are traveling.
There were several options to choose from, so I ordered every dish that caught my eye, hoping to enjoy my meal on the patio, but the rain that had been holding up all day came pouring down, and I moved inside for my feast. A mixed green salad, lomito wrap, grilled chicken sandwich, pumpkin waffles, toast, seasonal veggies. It was the ultimate farm-to-table brunch. I hope to return to check out their marketplace, ever-changing menu, and maybe even meet the chef.
Baba ganoush was good. So I just finished eating at the Hafi Kaskora, and the food was absolutely amazing. Everything so fresh, flavorful, robust. Totally recommend If in fact you are a clean eater, and I'm sure you are because you're watching here on Clean Skillet, this is definitely a place to come in Curacao.
Thanks so much for tuning into the Clean Skillet Travel Edition. We hope that this episode helped you find delicious, clean, quality food to eat on your visit to Curacao. Be sure to subscribe to the Clean Skillet TV channel and stay tuned for our next episode.